How to use OpenSeas on mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use OpenSeas on your phone. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I have already installed these two apps. Over here I have the OpenSeas app and the MetaMask app. Now to install them, all you have to do is go into your Play Store and just simply search for OpenSea, and you will arrive over here and just simply click on install. Same thing you will do with MetaMask as well. Just simply search for MetaMask and your application will, show in front of you, and just simply click on install and they will both be installed. Next, what you're going to need to do is just simply click on OpenSea and just open the application just like that. Nothing to do over here. And over here, you will see you have a bunch of different options. So at the top, you have your categories. You can choose all of the categories. You have utilities, you have sports, you have collectibles, trading cards, virtual world, domain name, music, arts, and all of that. And then down below, you have notable drops. You have all these amazing drops over here of NFTs that look pretty cool. Then down below you have trending collections that are really trending as of right now. So we have the unemployables, which I think is pretty cute over here. As you can see, really solid looking NFTs, nothing too crazy about them. Really nice, really cute. They're really good and they're really popular as of right now. And we have a bunch of more over here. And then at the bottom we have the hot items. We are basically, exploring this homepage over here. And then at the very bottom you will have a bunch of different other options, such as home, such as stat, search, profile, and more. Now, there isn't any settings option, which is pretty weird because I mean they should have a settings option, but right now I think it's still early. Right now NFT is popping, and a lot of NFT platforms have been coming out recently with their NFT, applications. So I think it's a matter of time before it jumps to a whole new different world. So over here you'll be able to see all of the stats for all the NFTs, and in search we can search for a particular NFT that we want, and in profile we can go ahead and log in. Now to log in, let me just go ahead and log out to show you how you can do it. So if I log out, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. You have two options in front of you. You can either use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Either way, it's fine. Or you can enter in your Ethereum address directly. Now, I already have MetaMask. That is why I installed it. So I'm going to click on MetaMask, and it's going to open up the MetaMask application over here. Give it a few seconds. It's loading up, and you will see this pop up in front of you. Just simply click on connect, and you will be able to connect your account to OpenSea over here, as you can see. And over here, as you can see, I already have these 3 NFTs uploaded. Now, if you're wondering how you can upload these NFTs, well, it's pretty simple. You don't actually upload these NFTs through OpenSea. You're gonna have to go over to another application, which I will tell you in a little bit. So basically, the OpenSea application is just for viewing the NFTs and keeping track of your NFTs as well. Like, it's basically just that. You can't buy NFTs over here, you can't sell them, you can't mint them, you can't do anything. You can only view them. And if you really feel like this NFT resonates with you, just simply click on view on OpenSea, and it's gonna take you on to OpenSea where you can view the NFT, and there you can actually buy it. So that is why you can't do anything else over here. Nothing can be done. So let me just show you how you can basically go and upload a NFT. So to upload an NFT, what you're going to do is you're going to go into MetaMask. That's right. You're going to go into MetaMask. I'm opening it up right now. Let's just open it up and show you how it's done. So why MetaMask? Because MetaMask has a feature called a browser. It has a browser built into it. When we open browser, I mean, you can open up Chrome as well. I mean, other browsers as well. But since, OpenSea connects with MetaMask, and a cryptocurrency wallet, it's better to use the MetaMask browser to OpenSea. Now over here, just simply click on create, and it's gonna, take you directly over to the creating of the NFT section. You don't even have to log in. So because you've already logged in, it's pretty nice. So over here, just simply click on this image and upload your image. So my image should be in here, pictures, in galleries, NFTs. Over here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different ones. So I can go ahead and choose whichever one I want. So let's just go ahead and choose this one, actually this one, and then just simply click on OK. Boom, there you go. Your NFT has been uploaded. Now what we can do is just simply enter in the name of the NFT. I'll just call it Pink Punk. and boom, there you go. Then you have your external link. Over here, you're basically going to enter in a link to your website or your Instagram account or any other website where you can showcase your previous work on, different NFTs, or your future work, or your current projects that you're working on. So basically showcasing your skills as a NFT creator. So if you want, you can go ahead and input your, link over here, but if you don't want to, it's fine as well. Then you have your description. Over here, you just simply have to input your description. It can be anything you want, like it doesn't really matter. It's basically a description, something to describe what your NFTs are for and what they are and stuff like that. Just simply type in whatever you want and you are good to go. And then you have your collection. Over here, you can choose whichever collection you want. If you've created a collection, just choose that collection and your NFT will be added into that as well. Then you have property. So for example, if you are uploading, let's say, a really large amount of collection, let's say really large amount of NFTs, let's say 10,000 NFT collection, then some of those NFTs are going to be really, really rare, and the properties are for those NFTs. So basically what you'll do is once you click on it, you'll basically add over here the property. So for example, let's say it had a different background, it had a new glasses, and it had a new accessory. Then you can add them over here, and let's say background, I'm gonna add like background over here, and then over here in name I'll just say like blue. That's it, blue background. That's what it's for, to showcase certain characteristics of an NFT. And then you have your supply now, and you have your blockchain. Now if you choose Ethereum, you can't up the supply, but if you choose Polygon, then you can change the supply to whatever you want. You can even upload like 10,000 of the same NFTs. But if you choose Ethereum, you will be exposed to a bigger market and maybe you'll earn a little bit more cash, but you will have to pay a gas fees whenever you upload your NFT. You don't have to always pay gas fees. You will only pay gas fees for the first 2 times when you actually, upload an NFT. But if you choose Polygon, you won't have to pay any gas fees whatsoever, because Polygon is a gas-free experience. It's a gas-free blockchain, so you don't have to pay anything. So once you choose that, just simply click on create, give it a few seconds and clear the reCAPTCHA, and boom, once you have cleared the reCAPTCHA, give it a few minutes, and boom, as you can see, it says you have created the ping pong. Now you have created an NFT. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you basically create an NFT on OpenSea in your mobile version. But if you're wondering if you can create these NFTs in the mobile application of OpenSea, then I'm sorry to tell you, but you can't do that. So you can only upload them in the browser, and you can only buy them from the browser as well. I mean, you can view them on the app, but that's about it. You can't do anything else. So then to actually sell the NFT, just simply click on sell and just enter in the amount and click on complete listing, and you are good to go. So that's how you do it. That's how you basically upload your NFT on the phone, from these apps. So that is it. That is the review for this application. I mean, it's not basically a review, it's basically just an overview, I would say. This application could be better if you could actually buy and sell NFTs from OpenSea directly, but since they don't offer that service right now, you can use MetaMask or your own browser. But I wish they had given this option to us to actually buy different NFTs from the application itself. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you basically use the OpenSea application on mobile. It's basically for viewing NFTs, nothing more. It's just to keep track of a certain collection that you are interested in, and boom, yeah, that's it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask them down in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.